it's Missy. Thank you for watching. Today I'm excited to be sharing this holiday updo with you. This only takes a few minutes to do, so it would be perfect for a work party or even New Year's Eve. Be sure to subscribe down below and let's get started. For this hairstyle, I'm going to grab the Aveda Shampure Dry Shampoo and puff this throughout my roots and then massage the powder into my scalp. My hair is a little bit dirty, so this will help absorb excess oil and refresh my hair, and it smells absolutely amazing. Then to add some texture to my hair, I'm going to spritz it with the Texture Tonic. This helps add grip to fine silky hair, and I love it because it creates a soft texture instead of being crunchy or stiff. So then I'm just going to gather all of my hair together at the nape of my neck. Then holding my right hand upside down, I'm going to take my pointer finger and place this on the left side of the ponytail. Then I'm going to grab the hair with my pointer finger and thumb and twist my hand clockwise while holding onto the hair so it twists upwards into the French twist. Then I'm going to slide bobby pins into the left side of the twist until it feels nice and secure against my head. Then to set the style in place, I'm going to use the Aveda Air Control. I love using this because it's a light hold hairspray, so it sprays on dry and has a flexible, workable hold. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you love Aveda products as much as I do, be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any of Aveda's beauty tips, tricks, and products, and I will see you next time.